guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Joanie from simplelivingmama.com, and today I'm just going to do a little bit of a vlog because I don't really know what else to do today. I kind of wanted to put out another video, but I wasn't sure what I wanted to do the video about. To go save my daughter from my bathroom counter. But you know, we're living through a pandemic and it's not really funny at all actually, but I was listening to a podcast. You want to talk?
To the podcast.
You were listening to the podcast. We were listening to a podcast by...
We were listening to the podcast.
Yeah, by Sonia Schaefer.
Sonia Schaefer.
She put on some lipstick. And she said to go ahead and have your kids record, you know, either do videos. And just a minute. Either do videos or have them write down what they're going through right now, because this is historic times. Say hi.
Hi.
This is a historic time, and we're all experiencing different things. Ethan, oh, where are we at personally, our family? My husband is working from home now, which, you know, I love that he's working from home, but it's definitely been strange. We've had an adjustment period, and trying to keep the kids from going into his office and messing with them and stuff while he's having to get work done has been a challenge. Today was the first day I was able to put in a grocery order for pickup since all of this stuff started. So a couple weeks now, we have been having to go into the store to get food, but I was able to get a slot, and it kind of sucked because there was not a whole lot available to order. There was no hamburger meat, no chicken at all. The stuff I normally order, like bread, the brands I normally get, were not available. Egg noodles, not available. Just basic things, dried beans, sausage. The kids are playing, so they're playing Monster. So a lot of the stuff that I normally cook with day to day, I could not get. But I'm really trying to limit how much we go into stores, so it's kind of like a toss-up. I know that the stuff's probably in the store, but in limited quantity, because we haven't really had any trouble getting those things when we actually go into the store and shop for ourselves. So when this whole thing started, I did one huge grocery shop because my husband was actually sick with walking pneumonia. Obviously not from the coronavirus or anything like that. Definitely trying to keep him from getting sick because he has had walking pneumonia a few times just in the last 6 months. So that's concerning to me. But he has been the one going into the store, now that he's well again, to get our other groceries about once a week or so. Because with 6 kids, the food goes really fast. And I used to be a once-a-month grocery shopper. And I kind of stopped doing all that and haven't gotten back into it in a few years. So kind of wish that I still was, but at the same time with the growing kids, I was having trouble with the quantities and trying to portion everything out. So I would buy what I thought was enough for a month, but then it would all get eaten up before the month was over. So I kind of just quit doing the whole once-a-month grocery shopping thing because I was ending up spending way more money than if I was just going every week or so. So this week is, since we homeschool, obviously not a whole lot has changed for us as far as, you know, schooling goes. But this week is supposed to be our spring break, and I had planned every time we have a break, which typically I do 6 weeks of school on and then 1 week off. Of course, during the holiday season, it kind of gets jumbled up and everything. So it has been a while since we had a week off. So this was our scheduled week off, and I was planning on doing several different organization projects. I need to get my kids' closets organized, but I don't want to go in the store to buy storage containers for organizing because they do need new storage containers. So I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to do about that yet. I'm just trying to avoid going out as much as possible. You know, already just with us having to run into the grocery store and stuff, it makes me nervous. So yeah, even just all the sanitizing precautions we're trying to take, wiping stuff down. Oh, it's crazy and it's exhausting and it's worrisome because I'm always worried that we somehow picked something up when one of us was in the store and all of that. The only thing that we have done to get out of the house is go to our local community park. Playgrounds are closed off, so kids can't play on any playground equipment, but we take the dog and we go for a walk around the track just to try to get in some exercise and let the kids run and burn off some energy. And we try to do that every other day. And usually there's either no one else there or one other person there walking the track, and we stay far away from them. So social distancing for the win for that. Other than that, we've just been staying home, playing outside. Kids are playing entirely too much Fortnite. I hate that game, but everyone else in my house likes it, even my husband. So they like play together and it drives me crazy, but that's what they like to do together. We've been doing that. We have a family puzzle night. Fridays is family pizza night and movie night. We have still been getting, the only takeout food that we have been getting is pizza. And like I said, anytime we do anything that has to do with dealing with other people, I get nervous, but you know, we're still trying to help the economy in a small way, so we have been getting pizza on Friday night. Try to take the food out of the box, get rid of the box, make sure I don't touch the food with the hands I use to touch the box, clean it in between and all of that stuff, heating stuff up. It's crazy and it's exhausting. Let's see what else. Is there anything else to update on? I think so. We've just been playing around. Kids have been playing around outside. I did find out that our priest has gotten the coronavirus, and he is, the last update I heard, he's recovering at home. So hopefully he's doing okay and he's going to be fine. I keep checking for updates every day to see if anything else has changed, and that was the last update. So hopefully he's doing okay. Easter's not going to happen this year. Easter Vigil's not going to happen this year. If you've been following along with us, my husband and I have been in RCIA this year, and we were supposed to be confirmed at the Easter Vigil. At this point, I have no idea what's going to happen or when anything's going to happen. Not really that concerned about it because I just want us all to stay healthy and stay safe. So even if it's a few months down the road, that's fine with me. Because the most important thing is that we, all of us, do our part to try to stop this sickness from spreading through our communities. I found out this morning that 2 people from the county that I live in have passed away from the coronavirus. You know, other than my priest, I don't know anybody else personally who has contracted it, but obviously it's here, so we're trying to do the best we can to stay safe. All right, well, I've got kiddos to wrangle, and I'll take you along with us the rest of our day. It's probably going to be a pretty boring day, so I'm not sure how much more I'm going to record, but I'll show you our dinners and all that stuff. I think I'll insert a clip of one of the really yummy recipes that I make. I was going to film a 7-day pandemic dinners video, but I ended up only filming one video that week and didn't get the other dinners in. But it's a really yummy, really simple navy bean and ham soup recipe. So I'll show you guys what that looks like in the next clip. And then we will go along with the rest of our day. First up on quarantine meals, we have navy bean and ham soup. This is an easy recipe. You can get most of your ingredients straight out of the pantry and the fridge. This is what it looks like plated up. I added some purple onion to mine. We'll probably have some crackers or some toast alongside. Here are the other people's bowls. And that is quarantine meal, quarantine day 1 meal, ham and navy bean soup. Hey guys, so I thought I'd give you a little bit of an update as far as our day in life is going. It has been an extremely lazy day here. It's rainy, nasty, gloomy, and I took a long nap with my 2-year-old. And right now the littles are upstairs with Daddy while he's working, and I am downstairs doing some work myself on the blog. No, not you. Isaac is in here with us playing Fortnite. They're back to playing Fortnite after our quiet time. But like I said, it's our week off from school. I'm getting some work done on the computer. I actually will have free printable coloring space bookmarks. I see that. And that is going live here in just a few minutes. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So here is a little bit behind the scenes of the blog. I am working on this post, and these bookmarks are going to be in the shop, and they are free for a limited time, so you can snag those. Something else I want to tell you guys about that I'm so excited about, you guys. This 2020 Homeschool Mom Conference, early bird tickets just opened up yesterday. I sent out an email to my email list. If you're not on my email list, you might want to join it, so that way you know when these things come up. But the 2020 Homeschool Mom Conference, early bird tickets are here. We've got there's only $12 for lifetime access to all of these incredible workshops. I have 2 workshops in this conference. I mean, look. The creator of Apologia is speaking in this conference. Charlotte Mason, there she is again.
Or a bunch of apples on.
Geography, making geography memorable.
It's honey.
I am actually going to be speaking on nature study, which I'm so excited about. Just letting you take a look at all of the different descriptions here.
Ethan, I know exactly where all the honey is now.
So many good things here for homeschool moms. Now this is different than the How to Homeschool Summit that we released for free a couple weeks ago, I believe, because that was just for people who were just starting out with homeschooling. It was like a How to Homeschool conference, but this is for new and seasoned homeschoolers, because there are all sorts of workshops here that can benefit anyone. So this is totally different. There is a swag bag included, prizes, all of it is virtual, so no leaving your house. And I mean, $12 for lifetime access, you really can't beat that. We all come together to do this because we just love to share our love for homeschooling. So here it is, nature study tips and tricks. This is one of my workshops. You know, I wasn't a mom who loved nature when I started out doing this, but I do now. So super excited about everything.
You're seeing only 400 bucks. 400. Yep.
Also going to be speaking on how to make morning time fun, especially if you have a family of multiple ages. So I'm very excited about that. I'll have the link to purchase your ticket down in the description box below if you're interested in that. So right now I'm going to finish up my work, and then I'm going to start making dinner. We're going to have spaghetti carbonara and salad tonight, just something super simple and easy. And then that's going to end it for today because, like I said, it's been a lazy day. So I just prepared everybody's bowl. We're just having very simple spaghetti carbonara with a little bit of Parmesan and black pepper on top. There's veggies on the side for whoever wants them. Just keeping it simple. What?
I want to eat that.
Okay, hang on. So we're just keeping it simple tonight. Recipe will be down in the description box below.